We'll be unboxing the Zhiyun 3-in-1 Crane M2 hand stabilizer today. This product is compatible with most DSLR and mirrorless cameras and smartphones. The M2 has 6 operation modes and control via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, offering smooth zooms at your fingertips. The package includes a quick start guide and comes with a nice hard case, so you can carry your M2 anywhere. It also includes a USB Type-C charging cable, a hand strap, which I haven't yet found a need for, a tripod, which is actually extremely handy when setting up and balancing your M2, and also a phone clip with quick release clip that has a short track for use with smartphones and a long track to use with cameras, a thumb screw, and of course, the very slick Zhiyun Crane M2, which actually has a really nice weight to it. The M2 is marketed as a 3-axis gimbal system that smooths and even cancels out your movement, stopping camera shake, and supports a 360-degree rotation for truly awesome creative cinematic shots. Note that I kept my phone case on, but let me show you how I set it up. First, I attached the included tripod so that I could properly balance the M2. Then, I grabbed the phone clip and used the second hole located in the back of the clip with the short track on the quick release clip. Then used the thumb screw to hold it all in place. I switched a small red flip in the back of the M2 to unlock it and slid in the phone clip with quick release on the M2. I then attached my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and note that only a small portion of your phone will fit on the quick release phone clip if your phone is of a larger size, but the clip is strong enough that I have not had an issue with the phone staying in place. Next, I unlocked the red knob in the rear and used both hands to slightly pull up the M2 from its locked position so that I could balance the back motor. I moved it back and forth, that's the arm, back and forth until the phone looked as if it was suspended in place and locked the red knob. Next, I balanced the motor on the side by unlocking its knob immediately next to it. To balance, whichever side your device is falling on, retract or extend the arm of the motor to the opposite side until the device appears to be suspended in midair without tipping one way or another. Just lock the knob back in place. Next, I balanced the quick release clip holding the phone. For this, loosen up the thumb screw you use to lock the phone clip to the quick release clip located at the bottom of that clip, and slide the phone clip along the track of the quick release clip until the device is sitting perfectly upright. Now, I gotta be honest, this I found was the most frustrating part of this balancing act. I had an extremely hard time balancing my iPhone 11 Pro Max on the M2. It took a while, it was frustrating, and in the end, it was just never perfect. But moving on, finally, I balanced the last axis that connects to the handle by loosening up the knob closest to the handle and holding the M2 sideways with the screen facing towards me. From here, it just takes moving the arm up and down until the pointy side of the knob is facing up. Then lock it down, turn it on, and you're ready to go. A great setup video from YouTuber Zhiyun was extremely helpful when balancing a smartphone to the M2. I've included a link to his video in the description. The M2 comes with a smartphone app so that you can unlock the functions of the product. I've included a link to the company's official setup video. I don't know if I'm going to use the app myself. I do plan on using a smaller mirrorless camera like the Sony a6100 with this gimbal with any future productions and blogging. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. And consider buying me a coffee so I can continue producing more unboxing videos like these and beyond. The link is in the description. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching.